Okay, so this is Aqualung by Jethro Tull. Let's look at that first riff. We got the D note here, 5th fret, the 5th string. Then we're gonna go to the big E string, 3 and 6. Then we come down to the A string, 3, 4, 3. So 5, 3, 6, 3, 4, 3. And we're gonna do that twice without chords behind it. Just has space after it. It has a drum fill in the second one, so it's like. And you wait a little bit, and you do it again. And then there's a drum fill, and then we're gonna have the chords to follow this, and this is where the verse begins. So we got. So that was a D flat power chord and an E flat power chord. Each one strummed a little different, so. Up to an F power chord, and this little riff. So that was 6, 8, 6, 8, 9, 4. And then this last riff is 6 here in the 5th string. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4, 7, 7, 5. So here goes the second one, second part of the verse. On this third one, we're going to have a new harmony note come in. And that goes with the power chord. You could do them kind of like I did earlier, kind of like those both two harmony notes together without doing the power chord. So you could kind of simulate it as one guitar doing two parts. And then the higher note of the ba-dee-da-da-dee-dum is this. So once again, if we look at this harmony part by itself, it's like 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 3. And then this one ends with. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4. Okay, so one more time on that harmony part. Okay, so we'll do the main part one more time to see how that first one went, and then we'll do the harmony one more time, and then we'll move on. Okay, and here's the acoustic part that comes in on that next verse for Aqualung. So we're going to have like this is a Capo 3rd fret, and we're going to have like an E minor shape going down to a D type shape. Okay, so that's that G minor. this one's gonna have a little bit of this D sus2 and D sus4 in it. So we got. Then we're going to an A major. Got to fit all those fingers in there. And what I'm doing is I'm lifting that pinky out of the second string a little bit to get kind of an A sus to a regular A. Then we switch to an A minor there. Kind of use that one down here to get the same kind of like moving chords type of thing. So. Back to the E minor, D. So we got dum da dum da dum da dum da dee dum. We're back. A minor, G minor, D. Here goes the third line of that acoustic verse. Now the fourth line is going to have that extra D shape at the end. Extra D. Then we have hits. The hits are going to go. So they had that little sus where you bring it in and out. So you got boom, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. And you can lift like that little note out of that one to get that kind of same effect with the little moving chord type thing. So we got 2, 3, 4, 1. Hits again. Faster into the progression that time. So that third line there had that longer D. So now this is going to go into the fourth part of that, and this is going to be all strumming. Extra D. Now we're in the solo. So it's like the E minor to D, D again, and then the A, and then the A minor, back to the E minor, back to the D, a little bit longer. All right, once the solo gets going, we're gonna have E minor, C, D, E minor. We're going to do this 3 times. Then we're going to hold that. We're going to go back through. Hold that D shape. end of the song, we're going to go back to that main riff. We have a little space again. We have a drum fill again, and then we get into a verse. So on this last harmony part, we're going to go into the ending. And then we're going to have some final chords here. We have D flat power chord, we hold out, and then E flat power chord. And then we hit that F power chord. And there's some fills and things, and you end with like a kind of a slide down out of that F power chord.